Gentle seeds in the earth, stories untold. Roots dive deep, covering the land, spreading shade, a shelter so grand.